Good day, everyone. Today, our group will be presenting on Digital Fortress Securing Industry 4.0 Manufacturing. Industry 4.0 refers to the integration of smart technologies such as the Internet of Things, automation, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence into manufacturing processes. While this technology improves efficiency and productivity, they also introduce serious cybersecurity risks. Cyber attacks on manufacturing system can cause production downtime, financial losses, and even safety hazards. Therefore, cybersecurity is no longer optional, it is essential. In this presentation, we will explain what Industry 4.0 is, the cybersecurity involved, and the solution used to protect modern manufacturing systems. Now, I will hand over to the next speaker to explain how Industry 4.0 in more details.
Industry 4.0 represents the smart factory, where manufacturing systems are highly connected and automated. Technologies such as interconnected sensor and device, autonomous robotics, cloud computing, and artificial intelligence work together to create a faster, more efficient production environment. These systems allow factories to make real-time decisions and greatly improve productivity. However, this technological progress creates a paradox. Every connection is a smart factory becomes a potential security risk. As machines, sensors, and a cloud system are connected, they can be targeted by cyber attacks. Hackers may steal sensitive data, disrupt operation, or even completely stop production. In this case, the same connectivity that improves efficiency also increases vulnerability. The cost of ignoring cybersecurity is extremely high. On average, a data breach in an industrial organization can cost $4.24 million. This amount does not include reputational damage, loss of intellectual property, or safety risks to workers. Industry 4.0 brings great benefits, but it must be properly protected. Strong cybersecurity measures are essential to ensure progress continues, without sacrificing safety, reliability, and trust.
Hello, my name is Ravi Santiana Anta with the matrix number B1423100356. To address this risk, we propose a proactive multi-layered defense strategy known as the Digital Fortress Framework. This model moves beyond reactive measures by creating a continuous shield around the smart factory, from the network edge to the core data. It begins with perimeter security to harden our external boundaries, followed by endpoint security protecting every individual machine and sensor on the floor. At the deeper level, data security ensures that our most sensitive information remains encrypted and inaccessible to intruders. Finally, at the very heart of this framework is proactive intelligence, which serves as the operation using real-time insights to identify and neutralize threats before they can even manifest. By integrating these four layers, we move from simply reacting to attack to anticipating them, ensuring a total operational resilience. Next, this comprehensive approach moves beyond reactive measures to protect the entire operation from the network edge to core data through four integrated layers. Firstly, by perimeter security, it hardens the network boundary by using next generation firewalls and intrusion detection or prevention system to block unauthorized access. Secondly, endpoint security. It protects every connected device from IoT sensors to robotic controllers, utilizing device hardening, access control, and isolation protocols. Thirdly, data security. It safeguards intellectual property and operational data with end-to-end encryption for information both in transit and at rest, supported by strict access management. Lastly, proactive intelligence, the watchtower. Leverage AI and machine learning to continuously monitor network traffic for anomalies, hunting for hidden threats, and enable rapid incident response. By deconstructing security into these specialized layers, the digital fortress ensures that a factory is not just defended at its gate, but resilient at every level of its digital infrastructure. To illustrate how the digital Fortress framework operates in a real-world scenario, we look at a modern automotive assembly line, where we identify three critical points of vulnerability that require specific defensive responses. First, we secure connected welding robots, which are susceptible to endpoint breaches that could disrupt physical production. Second, we monitor the supply chain management portal, a primary target for data theft or unauthorized network entry. Third, we protect the automated quality control sensors to ensure that sensor data is not to be tampered with, which could lead to undetected manufacturing defects. By analyzing this diverse threat, ranging from physical equipment to digital portals, we can demonstrate how our multi-layered approach provides a tailored shield for every unique vulnerability in a smart factory environment.
Okay, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Aisha and I will present from vulnerability to resolution. Vulnerable asset, the scenario before the digital fortress mitigation. Robot. Before is a malicious code alter calibration cursing microfractures in a well is a leading to a catastrophic in recall. Meanwhile, after is a in-point security isolation the robot proactive intelligence defect the anomalous behavior. Okay, for the number two is a portal. Ransomware attack via is a supply compromise credential had the entire just-in-time but delivery system. Okay, for the after is a perimeter security block the initial interaction. Data security ensure backup are encrypted and inaccessible. Okay, for the number three is a sensor. Before is a man in the middle attack falsify quality control data along the defective part to the enter the market. Okay, after is a data security end-to-end end-to-end encryption make the data unreadable to attacker.
Hello everyone, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Abdurrahman and I'll present the final part of our topic. I'll talk about why Secure Factory is more good for business and what comes after Industry 4.0, and I'll talk about our final conclusion. First, let's take a look of the strategic advantages of a secure factory. Many people think security is just a rule that we need to follow, but actually it helps business to grow up. And there are three main big advantages here. First one is increased resilience. Resilience means we are strong when problems happen. The secure factory can minimize downtime, and this means that the machines do not stop working unexpectedly, and so our output stays producible. Second one, enhanced trust. Trust is very important when we are secure. We build confidence with customers, confidence with suppliers, so they know that their data and their secrets are safe with us. Third one is sustainable competitive. This means we stay ahead of other companies. The secure foundations lets us use new technologies confidently, so it attracts premium clients who can pay more for safety. Now, let's look at the future. This section is called Beyond 4.0, building the foundation for the next industry revelation. We are moving from Industry 4.0 to Industry 5.0. Industry 5.0 is different because it focuses on the synergy between humans and machines. It has three core pillars. First one, human centricity. This means technology helps people work better. We priorities human collaboration. Second one, sustainability. This is about protecting the environment and like using resources wisely. And third one is resilience. This one means building strong supply chains that do not break easily. So the main important point here is we cannot have this future without security. A trusted Industry 4.0 is a necessary first step for this human future. This means security is a must before anything else. To finish our presentation, we want to share our final thoughts. As we look at all this technology, we must remember this: the most advanced factory is not the most connected, but the most trusted. So security is not just about computers, but it's about trust. And I can say this: by building the digital fortress today, we secure the promise for tomorrow. And this is all. Thank you for listening, and goodbye.